If you're thinking about installing new sod, seed, or grass plugs, you'll want to give it the best nutrients possible so that it establishes correctly. Set your new lawn up for success with the Lawnify New Lawn Starter Box. Containing 3 separate bottles of liquid fertilizer, the Lawnify New Lawn Starter Box contains the perfect amount of phosphorus, potassium, carbon, and other nutrients to get your lawn started. Start by applying Grow, the first bottle of the New Lawn Starter Box, immediately after installation at half rate. Grow is filled with nano-sized phosphorus that promotes healthy root growth. Rooting, plant strength, and resistance to stress will all be enhanced after application. 2 to 5 days after installation, apply the remainder of the first bottle of Grow. Make your application of the second bottle of Grow 2 weeks after the first application. This accelerates and deepens root growth so that the newly installed lawn attaches to the soil properly. Finally, 4 weeks after installation, apply the last bottle of the Lawnify New Lawn Starter Box. Maintain. Maintain enhances the color of your new lawn with nutrients like iron and nitrogen, while also contributing to healthy soil by delivering amino acids and microbes. Each bottle of Lawnify can be attached to the end of a garden hose. A 1-quart bottle will cover 5,000 square feet of lawn or landscape. Lawnify is made up of carbon-based fertilizers powered by Catalyst technology. Catalyst technology nano-sizes nutrients for overall efficiency. As a result, nano-sized nutrients are readily available for plants at the time of application. The Lawnify New Lawn Starter Box will have you sitting back and enjoying your new, flourishing home landscape in no time. Learn more at sodsolutions.com.